Okay, the next auxiliary verb is be. Be, we can say I am or I'm. He, she, it is, or he's, she's, it's. We are, they are, so we're or they're. Past tense, I was, you were, we were, they were. Negative, I am not or I'm not. He or she or it isn't or is not. We aren't, they aren't, or we are not, they are not. Past tense, I wasn't, you weren't. And the past participle of be, we use this in present perfect, been. So I have been to China. Now the first reason we use be as a helping verb, auxiliary verb, is when we make continuous sentences. So I'm only going to talk about present continuous sentences and past continuous sentences. But when you study in a higher level, you will learn different kinds of continuous sentences, even future continuous or present perfect continuous. So examples, present continuous, I am feeling much better today. In a question, are you coming to the party tonight? And a negative sentence, we aren't doing anything at the moment. So when you make a continuous sentence, you need be plus a verb that has ing. This is continuous. Now, a past continuous sentence, they were studying in class when it started to snow. A question example, was she sleeping at 10 p.m.? And finally, a negative example, the wind wasn't blowing hard then. Now the other reason we use be in English as a helping verb, auxiliary verb, is when we make passive sentences. So to make a passive sentence, you always need be plus a past participle. The past participle is the third kind of verb. So I'll give you some examples. A present passive example, those phones are made in China. So this is present simple. So those phones are, that's present. And then we have a past participle, made in China. The next example is a past simple passive sentence. So the internet was invented in the 1960s. And finally, I'll give you a present perfect simple passive example. Now, don't worry if you don't understand the meaning of this very well, but has his room been cleaned recently? So again, we have been, okay, the be verb, it's helping, cleaned, which is a past participle. So again, passive sentences, you need be and a past participle.